a new emulator or Android Virtual Device using AVD Manager. To create a new emulator, you need to first start Android Studio. There are many ways you can create a new emulator, but the easiest way would be to start Android Studio. So first go and locate your Android Studio. So this starts your Android Studio. And when you run for the first time, you probably will have a little different view. So let me go to that view first. So I have an existing project, that's why you saw a little different window. This is the window you're going to get. So you can say start a new Android Studio project, and just put the default values because we do not care about that yet. Our interest is to start AVD Manager, so I can go and set up a new AVD or Android Virtual Device, also known as emulator. So this is going to start a new project, and then you will get those options on the menu. Okay. So if you look at your window and Android Studio, there are two things here. One is the SDK manager. It's a little bit slow, but this icon, the icon on the right I'm putting, it's the SDK manager. You can see the pop-up, and the icon next to this is the AVD manager. So click on the AVD manager. I already have an AVD created, so I'm going to delete it. In your case, when you start, you will see a screen like this. You click on this button, create virtual device, and now you can choose any phone you want to play with, and you will notice that all these phones have different resolutions here, and this AVD configurator allows you to create an AVD you need to test your application, either very high density or high density. So I'll choose Nexus 5X. Next. So when you go here first time, I'm going to take 24. You might see a download link here. If you do, then click on the download button. It's going to download some software for you. In my case, I already have clicked download link, and then I do not have any download link here anymore. So from here I go next, give it a name. So by default it chooses something. You can always give a name you want. I'll just leave it as default. Finish. So it already has created an emulator. To run this, click on this play button, and